Pumpkin, with its vibrant orange hue and rich, earthy flavor, emerges as a nutritional powerhouse that extends well beyond its association with seasonal treats. Brimming with essential vitamins, particularly A, C, and E, along with potassium and fiber, pumpkin offers a diverse range of health benefits. Its high antioxidant content, including beta-carotene, not only supports vision and skin health but also bolsters the immune system by combating oxidative stress. Furthermore, the fiber in pumpkin aids in digestive health, while its potential anti-inflammatory properties contribute to overall wellness. Here are 12 potential health benefits of pumpkin. Rich in nutrients, pumpkin is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and E, potassium, and dietary fiber. Vision support. The high content of vitamin A in pumpkin promotes good vision and helps maintain eye health. Antioxidant powerhouse. Pumpkin is rich in antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and other carotenoids, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in pumpkin contribute to heart health by supporting healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Immune system boost. The combination of vitamins and minerals in pumpkin, including vitamin C, contributes to a robust immune system, helping the body fend off infections. Weight management. The high fiber content in pumpkin promotes a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Digestive health. Pumpkin is a good source of fiber, supporting digestive health by preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in pumpkin contribute to healthy skin, potentially reducing the signs of aging and promoting a radiant complexion. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some compounds in pumpkin, such as beta-carotene, have anti-inflammatory effects that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Blood sugar regulation. The low glycemic index of pumpkin may contribute to better blood sugar control, making it a suitable choice for those managing diabetes. Muscle health. The potassium in pumpkin helps maintain proper muscle function and fluid balance in the body. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in pumpkin, including beta-carotene, have been studied for their potential in reducing the risk of certain cancers. Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.